Game status unknown. Some interesting developments coming out of Minnesota as the Bucs prepare for the Vikings Sunday. Tom Pelissero of the NFL Network, a former Vikings beat guy who has been hanging out and snooping around Vikings headquarters, reports the status of Vikings quarterback Sam Bradford is basically unchanged from last week. Pelissero, in the NFL Network report you can watch in the video below, claims the Vikings are saying everything they said last week about Bradford, who Pelissero claims just threw a handful of passes in practice Wednesday. Pelissero did report that Bradford's knee injury was a non-contact injury, but offered no further details. Defensively, Pelissero noted the Vikings aren't sure where to play stud quarterback Xavier Rhodes, former college teammate of America's quarterback, Pro Bowler Jameis Winston. Last week Rhodes all but shut down Antonio Brown of the Steelers, but the Vikings apparently aren't sure who to stick Rhodes on, Mike Evans or Desian Jackson. See what adding Jackson had done for the Bucs. Opposing defenses now have to pick their poison. In other words, who do you want to get fried by? From today's Up to the Minute on NFL Network, talking Sam Bradford's knee, Case Keenum's issues and good signs for Vikings defense. Pic.twitter.com. Tom Pelissero at Tom Pelissero, September 20, 2017.